Hey guys! Welcome back. Our today's video is especially for students. In this video I am going to show you one of the best website, where you can find the solution of your questions. A unique engine for computing answers and providing knowledge. It works by using its vast store of expert-level knowledge, and algorithms to automatically answer questions, do analysis and generate reports. Open your browser and search for Wolfram Alpha. The link of this site is also given in the description. Wolfram Alpha describes itself as a computational knowledge engine. Though not an artificial intelligence itself, it uses many of the same tools to understand language and answer a wide variety of questions. You can select natural language or maths input. Wolfram Alpha's long-term goal is to make all systematic knowledge immediately computable and accessible to everyone. Now let me show you how it works. This is a maths practice website and I will copy a question from here. It will show you a lot of things about your question. But let me focus on the result. It is 0.09. And we will check the answer if it is correct or not. Have a look. It says that it is the correct option. I will copy one another question from here. The result is 11. And now let's check the answer. You can see that 11 is the correct option. It means that this website told us the correct options. Here are 30 plus topics. Just select your topic and type questions. The introduction of Wolfram Alpha defined a fundamentally new paradigm for getting knowledge and answers, not by searching the web, but by doing dynamic computations based on a vast collection of built-in data, algorithms and methods. Bringing broad, deep, expert-level knowledge to everyone. Anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. See you in next video. Bye.